Today we're going to be making Moka Pot coffee. It's a slightly stronger coffee than you would get out of an AeroPress. First thing, of course, nice fresh coffee beans. Going to grind them in our little hand grinder, and as soon as it's ground we'll come back to you. Finish grinding the coffee. We're going to add the coffee into the little filter here. We're going to make it more or less level, and please note we do not try to compress the coffee at all. So all we're going to do, gently spread it out so that it's even. And now on your base there's a little valve here. We're going to add water to just below the level of the valve. Perfect. Our filter with the coffee now sits neatly inside, and we screw the top on. We're using a gas stove. You can do it on an electric stove, no problem. The gas is just sometimes easier for us. And there we start. I've left it open so we can see when pressure's built up. The coffee will start to come out here, the espresso. Once it starts to come out, we'll just close the top so that it doesn't splash and make a mess. There we start. You can see it starting to bubble over. Nice, beautiful espresso coming through. I'll keep it open as long as possible before it starts splashing around. And just turn the heat down slightly so it doesn't splash too much. Whoops, it's starting to splash. With the grind on that we use with the Moka Pot, we use it slightly coarser than an espresso grind, which is more or less the same size as a sugar granule. If you grind it too fine, it gets clogged into the filter and it will not extract properly. It is extracted now beautifully. There we have our cup of mocha, our mocha. Lovely, strong espresso. If you like a weaker coffee, like a normal Americano, all you're going to do is add some boiling water to this. Like it is, it's going to be nice, strong espresso. Enjoy it.
I will try espresso. Yesterday I made biscotti. I will have with biscotti. Bellissimo. Put like, please.